late night with it. I'm finna make me some fucking black people noodles. Late night shit. And watch movies, chill, And she acting like a bum. Everybody down in my comment sections comment bum under her shit. I'm wait. I told y'all finna make me some noodles. Some oodles of noodles. Hell no. Some noodles. Put some more water in the motherfucker. Put mine on 330. Bodyguard. That movie with Whitney Houston. Life. I love that movie, bro. That movie go crazy. We got plenty of movies over there. Yesterday we had a movie that I would have recorded it, but I forgot my tripod. We got that shit. We got them shit. We was watching them shits over there, man. Y'all don't know nothing about these, though, man. You know what I'm saying? This is one of my favorite movies, y'all. We got that shit. I put some pepper on my shit. Let me taste them. All I need is some hot sauce. But I really love this life. So I take all eyes. Ooh, ain't that same young nigga from back in high school?